Good day! Welcome to another handy dandy episode. Today we're going to look at floor cleaning without harsh chemicals and with a goal in mind, pristine floor. That's right. Now let's go do the thing. Follow me! Tools and materials required for the job: a bucket, a mop, dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, and of course, hot water. Oh yeah, it's steamy in here. Let's do this. My concoction is as follows: 5 squirts of dish soap, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roughly 2 shots of hydrogen peroxide, and hot water. Thank you for watching another handy dandy episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, good day!